You should be able to format webhook arrays without guessing what an action will return, which the array formatter helps you achieve. So, we've made this action free and easier to use. Let's check it out. The Array Functions action has been renamed to Array Formatter. The action panel shows type descriptions, icons, return types, and output previews. This action now runs as a standard execution build at $0, and the premium action badge and banners have been removed. Let's learn how to use this action to remove guessing from workflows. Head to the Workflows tab inside the Automation section and edit or create a new workflow. Add Array Formatter after webhook or any step that outputs an array. Pick an action type using the improved dropdown descriptions. Review the return type and preview before saving. Workflow behavior stays the same, except that you won't be charged for Array Formatter executions. These updates make Array Formatter free, clearer, and more predictable to use. We hope you enjoy it.